We are constantly looking for ways to optimize our productivity and efficiency. The use of mobile robots enables us to implement these optimizations in order to improve our efficiency, productivity, and safety.
They autonomously transport material and empty containers between warehouse and assembly. For this task, they're equipped with the MiR hook.
We use MiR as a conveyor belt. We use it to transport our semi-finished products and our finished goods, but from production cell to production cell.
3 MiR transport robots are now the adaptable link between different production lines. This is a new way to produce that enables Kamstrup to upscale without any production downtime.
We are currently using 7 of them with 3 different top modules. They are capable of detecting obstacles, and we not only track their location, but also their task at all times.
We started on the MiRs just doing manual assembly line stuff in a very basic format. We upgraded the MiRs to have a conveyor system on them. They can now go down to the warehouse and collect raw material, and then they can deliver that to the lines. By putting the conveyor on the MiR, we gain the flexibility of being able to move anything where we want around the factory.
Fortunately with MiR, they have an open interface so we can connect third-party equipment to the robots.
We chose MiR as our mobile robot because it was a flexible solution in which we could see a lot of potential.
Well, we were looking for a solution that could have the payload up to 500 kilograms, and MiR was up there for the task. And we were also looking for a solution that would be easy to set up and fast to start operating. And we also were looking for, of course, a safe system that could work with the truck drivers. This has increased our productivity.
We have already proven that these robots are able to learn their route by themselves, as well as that they are perfectly able to interact with our employees and forklift trucks in complete safety.
Making the robot easy to use was extremely important to us. I would split the ease of use into 2 parts. First, how easy it is to use the robot itself, and second, how easy it is to use our application.